Hi there. Ever wonder how to achieve glowing skin in seconds? Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist will do just that. This mist is a silky liquid moisturizer that effortlessly revives the skin, giving you gorgeous glow anytime, anywhere, and can be used over and even under makeup. The Dewy Skin Mist is over 20% botanical oils and features beautiful, skin-loving ingredients like Okinawa red algae, hyaluronic acid, and squalane. This makes it the ultimate moisture magnet for your skin. When your skin is more hydrated, makeup goes on more smoothly for a dewy, glowing look. The Dewy Skin Mist is low in alcohol and fragrance, which means your skin won't dry out. Just 2 to 3 spritzes for your whole face will do the trick. I also take this with me for easy touch-ups on the go. In just a couple spritzes, the Dewy Skin Mist refreshes skin to keep it looking glowing all day.